In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show your speaker's note when presenting a document in Google Slides. By default, if you start a slideshow, you won't see any note that you have made on that particular slide. In this example, I have this note for this slide, and when I click slideshow, you won't see anything. There is no comment or notes that I could use as a reference when presenting this presentation. Instead, if you want to see this feature, you have to enable the presenter view. To do that, just click on this menu and then enable presenter view. What would happen is that the presentation will start, but you will see this window that shows you a lot of things about your presentation, and one of them is your note. You can see there is a note here, and this part could be moved to other monitor if you have multiple screens, and this note won't be visible to your audience. And that's essentially how you can show the note when you're presenting a Google Slides presentation.